Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, we're cutting a pomelo fruit. Do you know what are the pomelo fruit member? It is a member of the citrus family, the big citrus family fruit. They call it pomelo. Okay guys, we cut this one. While I'm cutting this one, I will tell you about the background of this fruit. When you're cutting the pomelo guys, make sure you cut in these edges. So, pomelo is the citrus family, a largest citrus family. And then, pomelo are native to Southeast Asia, specifically in Malaysia. And then, after you cut on the edges, slice here. Make sure you don't slice all the fruits. Just a little slice like that. So this fruit came from Malaysia and have been cultivated in China for 1,000 years. We are traditionally eaten during the Lunar New Year, which fall on January 22. And then, this fruit is said to represent prosperity and status. That's why you can see this one during a lunar, or some Chinese or Koreans are celebrating their Lunar New Year. So when you go to the market or go to the shop or grocery store, how to choose right and ripe pomelo. Make sure the color is the key. Make sure, look for a bright or pale yellow color like this. Though a little bit of green, it's okay. They stays good before they're completely yellow on the outside, when they're still fairly green with a little bit of yellow. Make sure it's yellow. They're delicious and sweet and juicy. Okay, and then how to store pomelos? Make sure you put in the cold area, a cool area, not a hot, not a cold, but a cold area. Slice here. Actually guys, my father has had this kind of fruit when I was young. Yeah, after you slice here, you can feel the pomelo like this. Yeah, easy like that. Don't other people cut like that, like orange? No, it's not. This is the way how to cut or open the pomelo. Make sure you don't cut like cutting an orange. because sometimes there's a taste of this pomelo. It's tartness or perhaps acidity that there's not taste like other fruit. So make sure you cut it properly so that it tastes like good, like that, guys. And there's another kind or variety of pomelo. My dad has two varieties of pomelos. The orange, and this one is green. When they are ripe, they're pale, yellow pale, but same. Their color is pale, but when you open, it's look like a what they call the one, a grapefruit, but still it's pomelo. But grapefruit, guys, it's big also, but it's not a family of pomelo. It's different. Pomelo is a separate species, while grapefruit is a hybrid. So that's, you need to take out this one. Some and take out this. Look at this. Then there's a line in this fruit, and just follow the line like this, and you can just follow the line, and you can cut by using your hands. Make sure you're strong. Make sure you're strong. Wow, look at that. Sweet and juicy. Yummy. We Filipino eat pomelo. You just dip on the salt, and that's it. When I was young, we enjoy eating this one. While you can add pomelo or any kind of citrus for the matter of healthy diet. Health benefits that we can get from pomelo for your healthy diet. It contains vitamin C, an antioxidant. It's natural way to help your immune system, especially during winter time. However, if you're hypersensitive to citrus fruits, have any fruit allergies, or have high acidity, stomach issue, or kidney or liver condition, it's not recommended to consume pomelos in large quantity. It can help, but not much. Okay, this is good for your diet too. Enjoy eating pomelo. Yummy. Love it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.